all night putting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, I would really want you to consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of motherhood vlogs and a lot of motivation, and if you enjoy that content, please hit that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be doing my microwave, and I'm going to show you before and then the after, so stay tuned. So it's really bad, like look at this.
Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You messing with my head. I'm ending up so
Let's get started.
What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have?
I just wanna take a moment and introduce myself if you're new here. My name is Tiffany. I have a almost 4-year-old daughter. Her name is Amalia. We do a lot of like motherhood vlogs, cleaning motivation mostly on my channel, and I hope you really consider subscribing to my channel and get to know me. If you're new here, please comment down below. Thank you for being here.
Are you now when your head is in the clouds? I wanna find out now. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions.
I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but like the last time I did this was like 8 months ago, and I know it's terrible that I haven't done it in such a long time, but it wasn't actually that bad. I looked back in my YouTube video to see how bad it was, and I think the first time I did it was worse than what it was. And I am filming a probably when you see this it's already filmed, cleaning my refrigerator, and that's gonna be up the following week, so I hope you stay tuned and look out for that video.
We had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys got some kind of motivation to clean your microwave. don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like these type of videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.